Hey everybody, what's up? Hope you guys have been keeping safe and doing well. You may have probably already seen some of the other tutorial videos that I have done to help beginner riders come to grips with the track layouts that we have here in the UAE. This one is of the Dubai Autodrome's national circuit. As I've said earlier, this is not for advanced riders and is purely a beginner's guide. Before we begin, remember to hit that subscribe button to support the channel and click the bell icon to turn on notifications. Now, the green zones denote acceleration and the red zones are where you roll off the throttle. So enjoy the tutorial in this video from the Biker Crew UAE.
We begin on the start-finish straight, throttle wide open and accelerating to 5th gear, anywhere between 230 and 250 kilometers an hour. Begin braking as you get to the lights at the end of the wall. Shift down to 2nd gear and stay to the left before you enter turn 1. The apex on this corner is late. Accelerate to the inside of turn 2 and shift to 3rd before you get to turn 3. Stay wide till you get to turn 4. The apex of turn 4 is in the middle of the corner. Stay to the right of the track. Accelerate through turn 5, then brake and shift down to 2nd. The apex to turn 6 is in the middle of the corner. To prepare for turn 7, go to the extreme left of the track. A dab of brakes might be required. It is a tight turn with a very late apex. Move to the right of the track and shift up to 3rd and accelerate towards turn 8. Shift down to 2nd and stay in the middle of the track. The apex of turn 9 is right at the end of the corner. Brake hard and shift down to 2nd for turn 10. Turn 11 and 12 are a part of the chicane and you will have to change direction pretty fast. Remember not to touch the white lines as they are slippery. Stay in 2nd gear for turn 13. The apex is very late. Accelerate through turn 14. Shift to 3rd briefly before braking hard and shifting to 2nd. Stay at the left of the track and turn in late because turn 15 has a very late apex. Back on the start-finish straight and accelerating hard, that's the lap of Dubai Autodrome's national circuit.
I hope that this tutorial will help you understand the racing lines a little better. Thanks for watching. As always, ride safe and I'll see you on the road.